Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Today's topic is related to algebra, and we are going to cover different concepts, some basic concepts related to algebra. The learning outcomes of today's topic is reduce algebraic expression into lowest form. Second, simplify algebraic expressions. So in the first learning outcome, we'll reduce the algebraic expression into the simplest form. And secondly, we are going to simplify those algebraic expressions. Now let's have a look on the questions. Reduce the following in lowest form. The question is given as reduce the following in the lowest form. So we are going to reduce this question into its lowest form. Question is Lx plus mx minus ly minus my by 3x squared minus 3y squared. So let's have a look in the numerator first. Lx plus mx minus ly minus my. We'll take the first two algebraic terms and take common. We'll see what is common. We'll see the common variables. So the common variable in the first two algebraic terms are x. So we'll take x as common. What is left behind, we will write it into the brackets. L plus m is left behind, so we'll write it into the bracket. Secondly, now let's have a look on the third and fourth term. The third and fourth term is minus ly minus my. Be careful about the signs. Whenever we are going to take common variable, we also have to take the sign as common with that variable. The sign should be taken common along with the variable. So I'm taking minus ly minus my. Minus y is common here, so I'll write minus y. What is left should be written inside the bracket, so I'll write L plus m. Here I have taken negative sign as common, so this negative sign will be multiplied with this minus my sign, so it becomes minus into minus becomes positive. Whenever negative sign is multiplied with the negative sign, it becomes positive. So negative into negative becomes positive. These are the rules. Now let's have a look on the denominator. 3x squared minus 3y squared. Now here we'll see that what is common. 3 is common, so we'll take 3 as common. What is left inside? X squared minus y squared. Here one important thing to remember, that in the brackets the terms, the variables should be common, should be the same. The variables should be the same inside the bracket. L plus m, in the first bracket you have seen it is written L plus m, and in the second bracket it should also be L plus m. It should be same. The variables should be same inside the bracket. So L plus m, L plus m. It is written twice, but I'll write just once. L plus m into, now combining the terms x and minus y together, so I'll write it inside the brackets. Within the bracket I'll write x minus y divided by 3 into x squared minus y squared. Here we have to see which formula is applicable. Here the formula of square is applicable, that is a square minus b squared, considering the variables that are present here, that is x and y. So we'll write x plus y into x minus y. Now This x minus y will be cancelled with this x minus y. X minus y will be cancelled with this x minus y. So it will be, so the answer will be L plus m divided by 3 into x plus y. This is how we have to simplify this question. Taking the variable as common from the first two terms, and then taking the other variable common from the last two terms, and also considering the sign, we have to take the sign common. When we take the sign common, so it will be x into L plus m minus y into L plus m divided by 3. 3 is common here, so it would be x square minus y square, applying the formula of a square minus b square, considering the variables L plus m into x minus y, combining x and minus y together, so it becomes x minus y divided by 3 into x plus y into x minus y. X minus y will be cancelled with x minus y. We are left with L plus m divided by 3 into x plus y. Next question. (120) x square y cube z5 by 30 x cube y z square. We also have to simplify this question. So how do we simplify it? First of all, we have to look at the values, the numerical values that is given as 120 and 30. We have to see if both will be cancelled with each other or they can be divided with each other. So if we see the table of 30, 31 times is 30 and 30 120 times is 4. So 31 times is 30 and 34 times is 120. So I have cancelled both of them. I have cancelled both of them. In the next step, I'll write 4x raised to the power. Now we have to see the power of the variables. In the numerator, the value of x is 2. So it would be x raised to the power 2. When this x cube will go up, it will become negative. The power becomes negative. There is a rule, whenever the power goes up, it becomes negative, the sign becomes opposite. So this 3 becomes negative 3, 2 minus 3. Now y cube, in the denominator, the value of y is 1. Why the value of y is 1? Because if there is no value written, no value or no power written on the variable, it is automatically understood the value of that variable should be 1. So I am considering this value as 1. Y raised to the power 3 minus 1. The same rule will be applicable here, that the value of y become negative when it goes up. So 3 minus 1. Then z raised to the power 5, 2 become negative when it goes up. So z raised to the power 5 minus 2. 4x raised to the power minus 1. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So I'll write 4x raised to the power minus 1. Y 3 minus 1 is 2. Z 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 4x raised to the power minus 1 y square z cube. The value of x is negative. I'll write it into the denominator to make it positive. So it becomes 4y square z cube divided by x. This is how this question is simplified. Next question, simplify. 1 over x minus y minus 1 over x plus y plus 2x divided by x squared minus y squared. This question is given in the fraction form. So the rule of the fraction for addition and subtraction is we have to make the denominators same. We can make the denominators same by taking their LCM. So we'll take LCM. First, in the first step, I'll write 1 over x minus y minus 1 over x plus y plus 2x. It was x squared minus y squared in the denominator. Applying the formula of the square, it becomes x plus y into x minus y. Now I have to take the LCM of the denominators. I have to make all of the denominators of these three fractions same. So I'll multiply x plus y. Now look at the LCM. The LCM is x plus y into x minus y. I have to make all of the denominators of the three fractions same. So here in the first fraction, you can see in the denominator it is x minus y, x plus y is missing. So I'll multiply x plus y both with the numerator and the denominator. So it will become x plus y x plus y is multiplied with the numerator as well as with the denominator. So x plus y is multiplied with the, okay, I'll write with the pencil. I'll write with the pen because it's taking more space. Or I'll write over here 1 over x minus y over x minus y multiplied with x plus y, x plus y. Second, minus 1 over x plus y Okay, so in the second fraction, we can see that x minus y is not there, x plus y is there, but x minus y is not there. If we look at the denominator LCM, x plus y into x minus y, x plus y is there, but x minus y isn't. So I'm going to multiply x minus y with the numerator in the denominator. Plus 2x by x plus y into x minus y. This denominator will remain the same because the LCM denominator is the same, x minus y and x plus y. Okay, now now we have to multiply the brackets. Multiply 1 with this whole bracket, it becomes x multiplied by 1 is x and y multiplied by 1 is y. So I'll write x plus y minus 1 into x minus y. So 1 is multiplied with x minus y, 1 multiplied by x is x, and 1 multiplied by minus y is minus y. Then this minus sign, I'm not multiplying this minus sign with x minus y, I'll multiply it into the next step. Now plus 2x plus 2x. Now multiplying this negative sign with the bracket x plus y minus x, and minus into minus become positive. Minus, if minus sign is multiplied with the minus sign, it becomes positive y. So it becomes x plus y minus x plus y plus 2x divided by x plus y into x minus y. Next step. In the next step, x will be cancelled with minus x. What we are left with? We are left with y plus y. Y plus y is 2y. Y plus y is 2y. So I'll write 2y plus 2x. 2x plus 2y. Any variable can be written first. I have written 2x first. 2x plus 2y divided by x plus y into x minus y. Taking 2 as common from the numerator, it will become 2 into x plus y divided by x plus y into x minus y. Now this x plus y will be cancelled with this x plus y. We are left with 2 over x minus y. So in this question, what we have done is we have to make the values in the denominator same, because fractions cannot be subtracted or added together unless their denominators are same. So x minus y and x plus y is the LCM of the denominators. We will take the LCM of the denominators, that would be x plus y into x minus y, and applying the formula of square here, it will be x plus y into x minus y. Taking the LCMs, it would be x plus y into x minus y. So now we have to make the denominator same in every fraction. So 1 will be multiplied. Look at the first fraction, that is 1 over x minus y. Here you can see x plus y is missing, so I'll multiply x plus y both in the numerator and in the denominator, x plus y into 1 and x minus y into x plus y. Second fraction, minus 1 over x plus y, so minus 1 over x plus y, you have to see which value is not there. X plus y is there, so we'll not take it. X minus y is not there, we'll take it. X minus y divided by x minus y plus 2x. 2x will be remain same as it is because its LCM is the same. The value is the denominator is the same as the LCM of the denominators, x plus y into x minus y. Now x plus y will be multiplied with 1. 1 multiplied by x is x. 1 multiplied by y is y. So x plus y minus 1 into x minus y. 1 is multiplied with x and minus y, so it would be x minus y. Now plus 2x. X plus y. Now I'll multiply the negative sign with x and minus y. Minus into x becomes minus x, and minus into minus becomes plus y. X plus y minus x plus y plus 2x. X will be cancelled with minus x. Y and y is left, so y plus y is 2y plus 2x. I'll write any of the variable first. I'm writing 2x first. So 2x plus 2y divided by x plus y into x minus y. Now taking 2 as common from 2x plus 2y, 2 into x plus y. X plus y will be cancelled with x plus y. We are left with 2 over x minus y. I hope so that you have understood this concept. If you have any query, you can ask me. You are welcome to ask any of the questions related to this topic. Thank you.